Good morning, viewers at home. You're welcome to Mathematics with Dr. OJ. Here in this video, we shall be talking about factorization of quadratic equations. The example here is solve the equation 2x squared plus 9x is equals to 5. How do we solve this? By factorization method. As we all know that factorization is one of the methods we use to solve quadratic equation. So for us to solve this factorization, for us to use this factorization method to solve this, we have to what? First of all, write this in such a way that in the right hand side there we have a 0. So now we write the equation as 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 is equals to 0. So now the very first step, we have some steps to follow. Steps to follow. Steps to follow. 1. We multiply the first term 2x squared plus 2x squared by the last term, which is minus 5. That is 2x squared times minus 5 plus 2x squared times minus 5. That will give us what? Minus 10x squared. Okay. Now the second step, find the product. Find the product factors of minus 10x squared. That is the value we obtained in step 1. So the possible product factors of minus 10x squared are minus 10x plus x. You can have that. Plus 10x minus x. You can have that. Minus 5x plus 2x. You can have that. Plus 5x minus 2x. These are the possible product factors of minus 10x squared. Having gotten that, we now move to step 3. Move to step 3. We move to step 3. In step 3, we choose the addition factors. Choose the addition factors of plus 9. That plus 9x is the middle term in the given quadratic equation from the pair in step 2. So let's look for the addition factor from the pairs we obtained in step 2. In the first pair, we have minus 10x plus x, which gives us minus 9x. The second one, we have minus 10x plus 10x minus x. That gives us plus 9x. The next one is minus 5x plus 2x. That gives us minus 3x. We have plus 5x minus 2x. That gives us plus 3x. So these are the addition factors of plus 9 as obtained in the step 2. So of all these, remember we are looking for plus 9x. So this is the value that is being sought for. Okay. So what we now do? We now replace. That's step 4 now. Step 4. Replace plus 9x by plus 10x minus x in the given equation. So we now replace plus 9x by plus 10x minus x in our given equation. How do we go about that? Let's quickly look at that. So in the given equation is 2x squared, plus 9x minus 5 is equals to 0. So we now replace what? 9x plus 9x by plus 10x minus x. So 2x squared plus 10x minus x minus 5 is equals to 0. So what we now do is, we have obtained 4 terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to factorize it, 2 by 2. Right. So what is common between this and this is 2. And also x is common here and here. So we have 2x. So by the time we divide 2x squared by 2x here, we'll be left with only x. Then plus. Then we divide 10x by 2x here, we have 5. Okay. Now for the last 2 terms, we have minus here, minus here. we pick minus because minus is outside there. So by the time we pick minus, we now look for what is common between x and 5. It is 1. So you open the bracket. So that means by the time we divide minus x by minus 1, we have x. We do the same thing. Minus 5 divided by minus 1, that is plus 1. So equals to 0. So you can observe, plus 5 is equals to 0. So you observe here that we have x plus 5 in the two brackets. So we can pair the one outside and the one inside. 2x minus 1, that is for the outside values. And I will pick one of the two values in the bracket, x plus 5 is equals to 0. So that implies 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, or x plus 5 is equals to 0. So if 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, and we want to get the value of x here, which is an unknown value, so we have to take minus 1 to the other side. So we have 2x is equals to 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay, and to get x here, divide both sides by what? By these 2, so as to get the value of x. X will be 1 all over 2. Okay, or to get x here, plus 5 has to go to the other side. So we have x is equals to 0 minus 5, that is minus 5. Therefore, x is equals to half or minus 5. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my video channel. God bless you.